Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the paper size in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. First we open Google Docs and as we can see it's in its default A4. To change this we go to File and Page Setup. Here we stay in the Pages tab and find paper size here. At the moment it is grayed out because we have to apply this not only to these sections but the whole document. Now we can change the paper size as we want to. For this example I will take A5. Now we click on OK and we will see that the changes are applied and my format will adapt to the new page size. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.